Hi, my name is Roger and today I'm going to talk about the Roland A-880 MIDI Patcher MIDI mixer from 1988. So it turned 30 this year. Let me read this first for you.
Thank you for purchasing the Roland MIDI Patcher Mixer A880. The A880 is provided with 8 independent MIDI ins and outs. You can select any of those in and out sockets and also mix MIDI messages from 2 MIDI ins and send them from more than 1 MIDI outs. Moreover, the A880 allows you to select whether or not to send MIDI messages from each MIDI output socket and features some more useful MIDI functions. To take the best use of this unit, read this owner's manual carefully.
In other words, this one combines 8 MIDI ins and 8 MIDI outs to control all your MIDI signals. Let me tell you something about MIDI. I got here this MIDI module with the standard MIDI through, MIDI out and MIDI in. If you have a MIDI keyboard, you can connect this one very easy by connecting the MIDI in to the MIDI out of your MIDI keyboard. Then you can play the sounds of the MIDI module on your keyboard. When you have 3 MIDI modules, you can use this also by daisy chaining them. If you have more than 4 MIDI machines, I already say to you, better to get a patch bay. Why? Because when you daisy chain those modules, those machines, they all have to be on. If one machine is off, the daisy chain doesn't work. Also, too many devices in one daisy chain will result in signal loss. It's like being together with one Wi-Fi router. All the people want to have the same signal. Not possible. Then a MIDI patch bay will be very smart to have, to use. I will tell you now something about my setup. I've connected the MIDI out of my MIDI keyboard to the MIDI in of my MC-50 microcomposer. The MIDI out of the microcomposer goes to the MIDI in of my Roland A-880. My machines are connected to the back of the 880. So, if I choose now here MIDI input 1, then I can choose here the signals from the connected machines. Output number 1 and 2 are not connected. Those are the front ones, those are not connected. They are here for visiting synthesizer or whatever, but I've connected it all from on the back. So, for example, I say input number 1, output number 3. I choose channel number 3 on my keyboard and I've given MIDI channel number 3 to my DX100. So I should now hear my DX100. This is a DX100. So if I now choose here, for example, channel number 1, which should be my Korg M3R, I should hear it or not. Let's give it a try. No, I don't hear it. Why not? Because it's not selected here. Those are selected. Here, number 8. And if I play now on my MIDI keyboard, channel number 1, then this one will sound. This is the sound of the Korg M3R. Do I want to add another channel, let's say number 6? I have put 6 and 7 as a MIDI chain. On output number 7, I choose here my channel number 7. This is the X-Station, channel number 6, the A-Station. So, basically that's it. I can change here my MIDI channels. With this one, I can choose which connection I need to hear, and it controls the synths on this side. So, another example. This is the Korg M3R. But what I also can do now is change the sound with my keyboard. So I say universe, the piano, or so I can control my devices with my MIDI keyboard without signal loss, because it will all be synced when I push play. Let me show you this. Let's say this one, this sound. I'm going to record it with my MC-50. Okay, this is just basic usage of the A880. What I also can do is now say, okay, let's use my W30 with some synthesizer sounds and my QS7 with another synthesizer sound. So what I do is I plug here and MIDI in number 2 and here to MIDI out, which is the middle one. Okay, so now I choose here, for example, channel number 1. I have to activate the channel of the core M3R. It's MIDI channel number 1, but I put the cable on number 8. So I activate number 8, which is good to know is that now on input number 1, number 8 is out. If I push number 8 here, then I can control it from a QS7. And if I use number 8 here and on input number 2, then I can use it with my W30. So this is the sound of the core M3R. I also can change the sound. So now I can play on the W30 and on the QS7 with different synthesizers with different sounds. Just basic usage of the 880. Do I recommend a MIDI patch bay like this one? Yes. If you have more than 4 MIDI instruments, I already recommend this one or another MIDI patch bay. Why? To prevent loss of signal and to have your music in sync and to have more control over your synthesizers or drum computer, whatever. But yes, this 880 is a very useful machine for me. Very easy, and you can do a lot more. I know you can do a lot more, but for me it's just enough to control all my signals. So I hope you like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and we see each other on my next video. Okay, thank you, bye bye.